Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Denise, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys all the stuff I just bought at Ulta, and there's one thing from Mashalls. Girl, let me tell you, it's been a minute since I bought makeup. I'm going to go ahead and show you what I bought at Mashalls first and then at Ulta. So what I bought at Marshall was the Anastasia Glow Kit, and this is the one in Aurora. I clearly have trouble saying that. So this retails for $32. I don't know about that. I think it retails for $40, but whatever. Anyways, the point is I got it for $24.99. It's so beautiful and pretty. I think it looks nice. I'm not gonna lie to you and say I haven't swatched it. I really haven't swatched it, but I kind of swatched it in the cart. The real reason why I bought this highlighter was for Spectra right here. This purple one right here with that galactic glow. A little bit over a year. Oh man, it's not even that pretty. I'm tired. I'm gonna undo my hair. Spectrum was the only shade that I really bought this palette for, and I don't like it. Oh my god, maybe it looks better on my face, or maybe it doesn't. Who knows? We won't know until we find out. Okay, so that was Aurora, and I got that at Marshalls, and then everything else I got at Ulta. It was pretty much just me buying all of my holy grails because I ran out of them all at the same time, and it's pretty funny to get them all at the same time, but I mean, whatever. I guess I probably should have waited for Black Friday, but so I bought these Shea Moisture African Black Soap Clarifying Facial Wipes. These are some makeup remover wipes that I always use. I love the brand Shea Moisture in general. You guys know that. I love the hair care brand. I love their wipes, and this is my favorite one, the African Black Soap one. I also tried the Coconut Hibiscus one, but this is like the good stuff, you know what I mean? I went ahead and repurchased the HangoverX primer from Too Faced. This is my favorite primer. I've been using it for almost 3 years now, and I haven't found another primer that I really like, but I love the consistency of it. I love how it makes my skin feel. I love how it sits underneath my makeup. It's beautiful. I love it. I also went ahead and repurchased my Too Faced Born This Way foundation. I've been using the Too Faced Born This Way foundation since 2016, I believe, and I like it a lot. I didn't expect to like it as much as I do. And then I also bought the NARS Audacious lipstick in the shade Anita. I love this lipstick. I've been using this lipstick since I was 16, and for me to repurchase this $32 lipstick is because I love it. I love it, love it. I love the texture, I love the formula, I love the packaging. The packaging has this cool magnetic strip. Okay, let me show you. It's just really cool. It's my go-to lipstick for my go-to look. Me not having it around, I really missed it because I was just using a whole bunch of bold lipsticks, and you get tired of using bold lipsticks. Every once in a while you want to kind of look naturally beautiful, you know? I also went ahead and bought something really exciting. Here are some cotton pads. Yay. Exciting. I went ahead and bought the cult favorite, the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I've been wanting to try this since it came out and everybody was talking about it, and I am like 3 years late and I'm now buying the mini one. I was gonna buy the full size, and then I found that they had the mini travel size ones at the line. You know, the line is where you discover all the products, so don't even go shopping. Just go to the line and buy whatever you need in miniature size, because I'm like, what if I don't like it? I feel like it's gonna be too thick underneath my eyes. I really like my Maybelline concealer. I've been using that for a few years. I like it better than the NARS Creamy Radiant ones. And what if this is too light? This is in the shade Light Sand, and the reason why I got the shade Light Sand was because in the Maybelline I used the shade Sand. I know that's completely like two different worlds. I'm gonna try right now. I'm gonna swatch it. Okay, that's gonna be way too light for me, but good thing we have translucent setting powder. And I like the applicator, it's pretty thick. I also went ahead and bought the MAC Fix Plus. The only reason why I bought this was because one time I was at a Sephora, no, not a Sephora, I was at MAC, and I tried this and my makeup was looking crusty. I was out with my friends and I tried this on my face and it looked so good. I was like, I need to buy this, and I didn't until the day I went to Ulta. I was like, I'm gonna buy this like right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray my face. I didn't set my face after this makeup. Let me check to see if it's spraying properly before it like squirts on me. And then my makeup melts away or something. Oh my god, I would be so mad. Oh, and it feels so refreshing. And it smells good too. It smells so like clean. I feel like I'm at like a Macy's or something when I spray that on my face. Okay, cool. So while we let that dry, let's go ahead and move on to bigger and better things. Bigger and better things. Alright, so I went ahead and grabbed the Morphe palette. Girl, my friend works at Ulta and she told me tomorrow James Charles will be here. Not the one and only James Charles, I mean like his palette from Morphe. And I was like, girl, bet I'm gonna be there. I was there maybe 10 minutes after they opened, and there was already a line of girls with like the Morphe palette in her hand, and I'm like, I don't even see it, like where is the palette? And then I found it, and like these girls were all over my way. I was like, excuse me, and I grabbed the palette and I was like, I'm gonna go buy this right now before anybody tells me anything, because I need to be one of the first ones to try it. Even though he already sold out on the Morphe website, but you know, that's not the point. The point is to have a palette, and I can't wait to try it out. I already opened it. I haven't swatched it yet because I'm staying loyal to you guys. Here it is. The Morphe and James Charles. Are you ready? Oh wait, there's a paper. Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you the James Charles Morphe palette, because look at this beautiful thing. I'm gonna touch it, that's it. There's no returning this palette. I went ahead and bought the Morphe primer in the shade Translucent. If I'm gonna try the James Charles palette, I'm gonna go all out and actually use the primer, because they say you have to use a primer to get the best results. Guys, I literally had to spend like an hour importing all my videos for my SD card, because one of them was full, so was the other one, and I only have 2. Well, I have like 3 from. Not the point. The last thing that I wanted to talk to you guys about is that I repurchased a beauty blender. I have bought like so many beauty blenders the past few years just because I love the beauty blender. I like other sponges as well, and don't get me wrong, I will go in and buy, you know, Real Techniques ones. I love the Real Techniques sponge. I am now loving the Morphe sponge as well, but I need to have my beauty blender with me because the beauty blender is also just such a beautiful, magnificent sponge. And I love that Ulta sells the beauty blender now. Like, Ulta, you are doing a good job. Like, keep doing what you're doing. They have such a great point system. They have a huge library of makeup brands, and they're just expanding, not just with their prestige brands, but with their drugstore brands as well, and I'm so happy about it. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. I can't wait to play with the Morphe palette. I can't wait to play with my Anastasia highlights. Anyways, guys, that's all for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Comment below if you have any questions or just any comments, and subscribe if you want to, and if you don't want to, that's fine. No hard feelings, let's go. Go ahead and follow me on social media. I have Instagram. Username will be down below. And thanks again. I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys. I repurchased the one, the only NARS Audacious foundation. Hold on. Let me try that again. Lyria. Oh! I went ahead and bought this so that way, oh, sorry.